Do you think the sea is salty because the shore never wave back at it? Okay, now I don't really understand. That is an assuming way to look at, but of the sea. क्या आपको लगता है कि समुद्र का खारा पानी क्यों है? नहीं, आपको क्या आपको लगता है कि समुद्र खारा क्यों है? क्योंकि किनारा कभी भी उसकी ओर पलट कर नहीं देखता. Okay, it's a very weird question. Okay, not weird question, but like basically is this thing. Okay, so this question is not the question that you are actually expecting. This question is a bit kind of like something really emotional way that you want to say. Okay, so if I say that ki I like this person, so what kind of like a test would you kind of like a something really synonyms about, like basically is that कि ये मुझे अच्छा लगता है, so I would say that कि this is a मीठा. Okay, so basically is it our relationship is bitterly sweet. Okay, yeah, like I like this person, so that's why we have relationship as a sweet. Okay, मुझे ये इंसान अच्छा नहीं लगता. Okay, I hate that person, so should I use sweet word into that relationship? No, I won't. I usually say salt. सॉल्ट का मतलब होता है कि खट्टा, यानी मुझे उस आई हेट दिस पर्सन, सो द रिलेशन बिटवीन मी एंड हिम इज बिटरली सॉल्टी. ओके, सो बेसिकली अ स्वीट रिलेशनशिप, लाइक बेसिकली इफ यू लाइक सम सॉर्ट ऑफ पर्सन, तो उस रिलेशनशिप को स्वीट रिलेशनशिप कहा जाएगा फॉर दिस perspective way, as a human perspective way. If I didn't really like a particular person, so relationship with me and that particular person is a salty relationship. Okay, yeah, now you understand the relationship. Okay, now the point is that कि समंदर खारा होता है. Okay, why? Because of that कि क्वेश्चन सेज कि किनारा कभी उसकी ओर देखता नहीं है. अभी ये किनारा लाइक हाउ इज वेरी वियर्ड क्वेश्चन, बट इट्स जस्ट लाइक दैट ना कि why we say kind of like a something like kinara is actually it's a, I don't know, I don't why does kinara didn't really say to like basically it's a very weird question. The question says that कि समुंदर का पानी मीठा, सॉरी मीठा है इसलिए क्योंकि किनारा कभी उसकी ओर देखता नहीं. So it's a kind of like a something really, they have kind of like a 36 का आंकड़ा in between that, so that's why that's why kind of like a something really sea, or that's a samandar is bitterly salty. First of all, it's a very weird to understand this question. Okay, but trust me, just like the samandar is salty is not because of the kinara and things like that. No, samandar is salty because of the various reason, lots of reason. First of all is that have you tasted the corrosion? Okay, corrosion मतलब कहते हैं कि जंग लगी हुई किसी लोखंड की चीज़ को कभी आपने टेस्ट किया है? Like just try to test it. Okay, it tastes little bit of salty. Okay, salty क्यों होता है? Why it's salty? No, but yeah, it's salty. Okay, so corrosion का जो एक तरह से जो kind of like a something really a natural taste is a salt. Okay, और समंदर में बहुत ज़्यादा corrosion होता है. That is why it's kind of like a something really NaCl is a kind of like something really sodium plus chloride plus H2O से मिलकर एक तरह से खारा पानी मिल जाता है, बट इट काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ कंबाइन विथ लॉट्स ऑफ मिनरल्स. ओके, लाइक बेसिकली वॉल्केनिक एक्टिविटी से भी होता है. इट्स आई डोंट नो लाइक व्हाई, लाइक आई डोंट रियली हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग वेरी स्पेसिफिक आंसर रिगार्डिंग अबाउट क्यों समंदर का पानी खारा होता है. ओके, एट दिस मोमेंट, बट आई कुड डू गूगल ना. ले आई डिड लाइक बेसिकली लेट्स जस्ट गूगल. ओके, no, just ask to the chat gpt. Chat gpt give you really proper answer. Okay, let me check. Well, probably is this thing ki at this moment I don't really have a kind of like a very specific answer regarding about this thing. Why? Because of that ki it's a very difficult to understand. Maybe like I read the entire concept of why sea is literally salty, but at this moment I didn't really understand enough so that I could tell you that why is a sea is salty. Okay, yeah, but I just try to understand. It's kind of like a relate with the volcanic activity. It's relate with the sun radiation and things like that. So that's why sodium are actually collaborate to a chloride plus H2O से dissolve हो जाता है. It's a lot of thing. Okay, probably you know much better if you just Google it and then you find it much better. Okay, yeah. But the question is actually very weird. Yeah, it's like that. No, it's a very weird. It's they actually relate with this salty and then kinara. It's a whatever. Yeah, next question.